What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Tesla did drop down today about 5 percentage points. It was even lower before during the trading session, but however, it has recovered some of that drop. As you can see here, price is bouncing off this 370 level, 376 level, 377 level, because that's where prior support was at. That's where buyers stepped in and drove up the price. So we have a triple bottom currently forming as of right now. So this is potential support, which it currently is holding. And if it holds, we can see price potentially break through this downward trend line. As you can see here, we have a high and then a lower high and another lower high. So price is making lower highs, but equal lows. So it's getting pinched between these two levels. Eventually, it's going to break in one direction or the other. So if it breaks to the upside, I think we could probably see a retest of the prior all-time high at the 488. If it breaks to the downside, we're going to probably see a measure move lower towards the 323 level. So we'll just have to wait and see. I don't know which way it's going to break out. It's not really strong in either direction, bullish or bearish. But short term, that's what's going on in the market. The traders, the big money is just waiting to see what happens. They'll see which person comes in the market and wants to drive down or drive up the price, and then they'll just follow with them or counter them. So we'll have to wait and see what they want to do. There's a little gap that can be filled at higher prices at the 401 level. So again, we'll have to wait and see. If the bears fail to reach that measurement target, this could lead to a decent-sized rally because this looks to be the second attempt down to reach the measurement target, which means that the bears are not that strong as they seem. So we could see a break of this bearish trend line. And once we do see that, I think there's a good chance we retest the prior all-time highs. So just wait and see what happens in the next coming days. Might be a week to 2 weeks tops. We'll have a good indicator of which way this is going. So as right now, it's slightly neutral because of this converging levels, but eventually it's going to break out in one direction. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price is a little bit far away from the EMA, so a breakdown is looking more likely on the weekly chart. But again, you can't just ignore that support level that price has to push through. And if it doesn't break, then we're going to probably see a rally higher. Again, long term, the macro picture shows that price reached the top side of this yellow channel. That's where we sold off at the high 400 level. And also a measure move target was reached. One leg up right here, second leg up. So a target was reached. And that's why price is also correcting as well. So a long-term measurement target can lead to a decent-sized correction, which we're seeing right now. So again, just Tesla is waiting to see. Traders just waiting to see what happens. Don't really have much to say based on we have converging lines, and a breakdown is looking likely so far. But again, if the market does hold at the support level, it could just as easily rally higher. So traders don't care; they'll go long or short. They want confidence in the trade. They want to have a good direction and feel of where the market's going before they'll enter trades. Right as right now, maybe you'll see short-term traders trade intraday. So like for example, if we go to like the 1 hour chart, you may be seeing traders buy the lows and then sell back up to like maybe the 402 level. So just going back and forth, and we'll see what happens. But a breakdown is looking slightly more likely than price holding. So all I have for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.